You are here. Fort Scratchley. Not entirely sure what this place is, to be honest with you. Looks pretty cool though. That's the view. Let's go and have a wander around. So we've somehow stumbled into these chaps.
Can you tell me your surname, please? What's your army number?
619.
And what's the date of the offence?
Dunno.
Wait a second. And what is the offence?
I think we've hit peak mentality, yeah.
This is cool. What's going on?
Don't know if I'm supposed to do this, but I've been locked away. Bearing bars. That's some better days. To be fair, these beds look pretty familiar. That's what we've been staying in for the past 4 weeks.
Yeah, welcome to our hostel.
Yeah. About the same. Some guns. Pretty cool.
I like the models.
Bit creepy though. And the tunnel.
I feel like we're on that program of Ghost Hunters. No, the paranormal activity.
Yeah, I know,
People
yeah.
like the freaks that.
Okay, back we go. Well, that was the tunnel. Thermostat. We've actually got one of those at home.
No, it's really windy. Ooh.
Have a seat, make yourself comfortable.
Thank you. Oh,
Now, this room here,
Yeah.
does anyone know what the term ablutions means?
Ablutions? No.
No?
No.
It's an old-fashioned term, military term, which
Yeah.
means a place where you have a bath,
Mm.
shave, polish your shoes, all that sort of thing, and get ready for a day's parade. That's what this room was when the fort was active.
Yeah.
So on the right behind the screen there is the original bath.
Oh.
On the left there is the original toilet. Now,
Oh.
as you're aware, this is a historic and heritage site, so we can't do what we please.
Mm.
So that's remain like that until they decide what to do with it.
Okay.
So they gave me this half,
Yeah.
so I've only got half a room. I'll be glad when they get rid of the bath and the toilet.
yeah.
Yeah.
To set up as a signals room. I'm an ex-army signalman,
Oh wow.
and for that reason, many years ago, I was taught the Morse code as part of my duties. So the
Amazing.
committee here said, "Why don't you do something about it?"
Yeah.
So this is how this room. Volume, pitch, RSVP.
No way.
And you had to apply those 4 principles
Mm.
to make sure your whatever you're sending got through the first time.
Yeah.
Because other people are waiting to use the frequency and they might be more urgent. I'm going to play you a little song.
Mm.
It's called The Rhythm of the Code.
Okay.
You know what the phonetic alphabet is?
Yeah.
Yep. They use that in the song. No dancing, please.
Okay.
Soon you'll know the rhythm of the code. A dit is a dot is a dash. The rhythm of the code. Alpha. Delta. Echo. Foxtrot. Golf.
What size that fucker? Bloody hell. He's a big bugger, isn't he? I didn't want to get out, it's too windy. Just has more water in it, really. Just looking at birds instead. Oh fuck. lock myself outside. Fuck's sake. I locked myself out behind me, I've got no bloody shoes on either. Fuck's sake. Anyway, we have just arrived in Coffs Harbour. We stopped at Port Macquarie earlier. Only for like half an hour, 20 minutes, something like that. Just to say that we'd been there. Yeah, now we've just arrived at Coffs Harbour. Only staying for the night because on Saturday it is Anzac Day, which is like a national memorial day for all the war veterans. So everywhere's closed. So we're hoping that we can try and get to Byron Bay before that and celebrate it there. I say celebrate it, get pissed. Okay, we'll try again. This is our room for the evening. It's quite nice, to be fair. What I was just saying to Beth was the fact that they've tried to make it modern and then they've sort of just given up.
But it's clean.
It's clean, that's the main thing. Was there any spiders?
No, I didn't even panic. That means it's good.
It's a good sign. We have beer.
We've got
Going to a brewery.
Helter Skelter.
So what we got? I'm going to go this
Super
one
fresh
first.
and juicy hazy.
Red right hand. Tastes
that that?
just as I imagined.
Do you think that's a hazy Indian pale ale?
What have we got this one here? Witchcraft. Not bad. Helter Skelter. It smells very citrusy. That was actually not bad.
This doesn't taste like anything. Right, Nathan, you're gonna rate our. What are they? IPAs and lagers.
Okay.
So the first one is. We're starting from the bottom. The red right hand.
Four.
4. And tell me what you're tasting.
Shit.
Like, what is it?
Can't even tell you. I can't even. A little bit citrusy.
Oh, it is citrus. It's a citrus hop forward with a nice malt backbone.
Yeah.
Interesting.
Now I see it. Now I see it.
I don't mind that, you know. Okay, next
What's
one.
this one?
This one is for
No.
Callie.
This is a lot more fruitier. Not for me.
Okay.
Not even sure what's going on that one.
Out of 10.
Again, I'd say maybe. I'd say 2.
Oh, that bad. So that's an Indian pale ale. It's a 6.3%.
Oh, God.
Yeah, I'm going to be
Nice.
stumbling home. It's contemporary fresh hoppy IPA.
That was nicer.
Oh, that one is the Nightcraft. What is it? What would you rate it?
Well, these are quite fruity, citrusy, but I would say that was like a 7. That's quite good, to be fair.
Okay.
It's not bad.
That's just a hoppy lager.
Yeah,
Okay.
explains it.
5.9%.
What's the last one? Helter Skelter.
Helter Skelter.
That's the few. Oh my god, I'm stumbling with words already.
It's the 6.3%.
That's the fruitiest of the lot, I'd
The
say.
fruitiest.
Yeah, I'd say 6.5.
6.5?
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah.
Okay, so that is a 5.2% hazy Indian pale ale, super fresh and juicy hazy IPA.
Yeah.
So the favourite is the Witchcraft. I don't particularly like any of them, but I'm just going to drink them anyway, and I'm probably going to be dragged home.
Got to do a food shop, yeah? Got to go to Woolworths. What a throwback that is, by the way. So we've gone for a walk. Again, don't know if you can hear me. We've gone for a walk to Mutton Bird Summit, like a viewing point. It's windy as hell. Come to see the sunset. You know. Best go running to try and get to the top of that hill in 7 minutes. Start happening.